Hi guys, it's Jamie here, and I've decided to combine some prompts. So I think this is day 13 and 14, and the prompts were shiny or glittery or something like that. So I've taken that to be acrylic metallic paint. Tape, which I've created and the video follows. Magazine or newspaper or book pages. Index card, what they're actually glued onto. That's it. Short intro today. No business babble about liking the video, subscribing, commenting. Do that at the end instead. Got 2 days to get through in one video. Let's crack on. Hi guys, I thought I'd have a break from the Dephemerember challenge and bust some scraps today. I have a lot of offcuts of sticker paper from doing my planner videos and a lot of scraps from my junk journaling videos. I'm going to make washi tape on these sticker paper from scraps, so it's a combination of a masterboard plus make your own washi tape. Not really sure how it's going to go. I'm just going to get bits of scrap and using a Pritt stick stick it onto the sticky paper, and then when I've completed doing all the strips of sticky paper I have here, I'm then going to look at any further processes that might tie it together as artistic washi tape. I'm not even going to think about how I'm putting things down. As you can see, I am just grabbing anything that's been sitting on a pile and adding it, because I am overloaded with scrappy bits that need a home, which isn't a box. At the moment the scrap box is full to bursting. I'm assuming these can be used like page borders or however else you normally use washi tape. Normally I do this with Mod Podge, but I thought I'd try doing it with just a glue stick. Can get the general idea. If I see a gap, I'm just filling the gap. That's one strip done. I'm going to leave that to dry, trim it back up, and then we'll look at processes. These are all the scraps cut up into washi tape type strips. Before I go any further, I need to Mod Podge over all of them to give them a protective coating, make sure everything's sealed down as well, and then some I may leave as they are and some I may do extra treatments to. To be absolutely honest with you, I love these as they are. Unusual looking washi tape. Therefore, I'm going to move on to a couple of the Dephemerember challenges and combine them into one challenge and use the washi tape as the tape part of day 14 challenge and index cards, and then day 15 I think is book page and glitter. I'm going to combine everything. These index cards a while ago were treated by rubbing some Distress Oxide espresso over them and sprayed lightly with water and allowed to dry. The first thing I'm going to do is tear up some of these book pages, which are from the Raj book, into pieces. Not trying to have straight lines this time. Sometimes I do these with straight lines, sometimes I just tear. The next thing I'm going to do is, using the Mod Podge, put a layer down on here, put some book page on. I'm not going to try and go up to every edge. I want to keep the index card look to things. I will do that for all 4 cards, allow them to dry, and then do it on the reverse. Because these bits of information I found online about the church my grandfather built and was the first vicar of have a blue background, but then some are just black and white pictures, to give it some uniformity, I'm going to edge everything in a permanent mid blue, electric blue ink, and that's also a peacock colour. These are now dry. The next thing I want to do to treat these is keeping this blue theme. I have the Distress ink in Salty Ocean and in Salvage Patina, which is more of a green. And what I'm going to do is, because I don't want to contaminate them, I'm going to try and see if I can get a system going and see if I get the blue effect that I'm looking for. Maybe even spray it again, because that will move it about. These are virtually dry. Next colour is the Salvage Patina. Isn't that just gorgeous? And we're going to try just dabbing that one on and see how that looks. Beautiful. And now I need to let this dry and do the reverse sides. Part of the brief is glitter. I'm going to use the blue metallic paint along with this stencil, and let's see what this looks like. Cool. Taking the information that's here, I'm going to make it almost like a photo album, mini photo album. Put this one down, which is a map of the area where the church was built. Putting everything down with Mod Podge still. Piece of decorative tape. And I suppose by using it as just a piece of decoration, you can decide on different cards to put the tape in different places. Now what I might do, that's already dry, is do that land with, I think there's a photo of my grandfather in here somewhere. So you have two on one page. Where would we place this washi though? Maybe have that this side, something like that. Funny to think a part of London, Harrow, used to have a great big field like that in it to build a church and a vicarage on, isn't it? I will continue. This will teach me to count things. I've discovered 4, which would be 1 index card, extras. I'm going to have to repeat the process to get the 5th card done. However, this is them done. So you've got the book page or the magazine page, you have the sparkle in the acrylic paint, you've got the tape and it's on index card. And then I will put these in date order when that 5th one is done. Add a ring here and then you'll be able to flip through them. If you have enjoyed this project, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help other people on YouTube see it. If you're not already, please subscribe. I upload videos 3 to 5 times a week on junk journaling, art journaling, planning, and something else which I've forgotten. Anyway, that would be a lovely Christmas present for me if you would subscribe, and let me know what you think of this interpretation. I will see you next time.